Hello guys! In today's video we are introducing our battery operating pallet truck. You can see in this video electric pallet truck, which is fully automatic operating system. All the process up, down, forward, and reverse are fully battery operation, which is available up to 2-ton capacity 48V battery with charger. This type electric pallet truck widely used in warehouse for transferring goods from one place to another place. Electric pallet truck is easy to operate and with standing position available. It is reliable product and long-lasting product. I hope you enjoyed video, and for more solutions you can directly call us on given number. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again.